Good morning, scholarites. Today in GK, we are going to study about the freedom fighters of India. The first one is Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was called Manu. She was also called the Queen of Marathas. She ruled the state of Jhansi and was the first prominent woman freedom fighter who participated in the rebellion of 1857. She fought against British army with bravery, and her famous dialogue "Khoob ladi Mardani wo to Jhansi wali Rani" is still remembered. Then the second freedom fighter is Sarojini Naidu. She is also called the Nightingale of India. She was born on 18 February 1879. She was a poet and a social activist. She was the first woman who got elected as the governor of an Indian state and the Indian National Congress. She joined hands with politics during the wake of the 1905. Then is the Chandrasekhar Azad. He was an Indian revolutionary who reorganized the Hindustan Republican Association under the new name of Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He even participated in Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence movement. Then is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was born on 23rd Jan 1897 in Cuttack. He was the founder of the Indian National Army, well known as Azad Hind Fauj. He believed in Swami Vivekananda's teaching. He was also called Netaji. He died in an air crash. He gave the slogan Jai Hind, Dilli chalo, tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga. Then is Bhagat Singh. He is also famous with the name Shaheed-e-Azam. He was born on 28 September 1907. He was considered to be the most influential revolutionary during independence movement for India. He became a prominent member of Hindustan Republican Association. Bhagat Singh took revenge of Lala Lajpat Rai's death in 1929. At the age of 23, he was sentenced to death along with Rajguru and Sukhdev. In April 1929, Bhagat Singh and his associates raised the slogan Inqilab Zindabad after bombing the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. Inqilab Zindabad means long live the revolution. It was given by Maulana Hazrat Moni. Then we are talking about Mangal Pandey. He was one of the first freedom fighters of India and played a very important role in the freedom movement. He was a Sipahi in British East Indian Company. He fought against British East Indian Company during the Great Revolt of 1857. He was hanged to death in 1857. At last, I am talking about Mahatma Gandhi. He is also famous with the name Bapuji. He is also called the father of nation. He believed in non-violence movement and fought a civil rights and freedom across the world. He led movements like Dandi Salt March, Quit India movement, Non-Corporation movement and Satyagraha along with others. He gave the slogan Do or Die. So students, watch the video carefully. I am sending some questions along with the video. Watch it, learn the question answers. Thank you.